Ow! You hit me in the head with your I didn't mean to. I accidentally dropped it.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you're right. I'm right. Yeah, right.
Oh, I know it, man. And it didn't even seem like he just made contact.
Oh, we'll get back at the hotel.
Yeah. Just, huh?
No, pull them in the hole. It opened it. It just opened it. Like you can't.
This makes you sneeze.
It opened it.
Guys, if you jiggle your toes too long with this, it makes you sneeze. Ready? Okay. Hold on. No, you gotta hold it on there. Make you sneeze. Watch the champion do it.
That was a fake sneeze.
No.
That was literally a fake sneeze. I'm not an idiot. I choose Rocky.
Freddy's ice cream.
I love that place.
Hey.
God damn it.